So the following problem says to perform the operation and simplify. So taking a look at this, we have x minus 4 times 8x squared plus x plus 8. So we're multiplying polynomials here. And when we multiply polynomials, the one main rule that we use is the product rule. The product rule applies when we are multiplying like bases together. So when we do x times x squared or x times x, that's the product rule. And the product rule says when you're multiplying with like bases, you're going to keep that like base and you're going to add your exponents. Okay. Now, taking a look at this problem, we have a binomial, which means we have two terms times three terms, right? Binomial times a trinomial. I'm going to use the distributive property in order to multiply this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this x and I'm going to multiply it to everything in the second polynomial. And then when I'm done doing that, I'm going to take minus 4 and multiply it to everything in the second polynomial. So starting with x times 8x squared. So technically this is a 1 in front of the x. 1 times 8 is 8. X times x squared. This is the product rule that says keep x, add your exponents. So 1 plus 2 is 3. X times x, so that's a 1 times a 1, which is just a 1, which we don't need to write. And then x times x, so keep x, 1 plus 1 is 2. And then x times an 8, so x times 8, or 8 times x, is just an 8x. Now we're done multiplying with x, so now we're going to take minus 4 and multiply it to everything in the second polynomial. That's a negative 4 times 8x squared, so negative 4 times 8 is a negative 32, and tack on the x squared with it. Negative 4 times x is a negative 4x, and negative 4 times 8 is a negative 32. Take a look at the problem you have and see if there's any like terms, and I see, let's see, x squared and negative 32x squared, and then 8x and minus 4x are also like terms. So I'm going to drop down the 8x cubed and combining our x squared terms. That is 1x squared minus 32x squared. 1 minus 32 is a negative 31x squared. And then our x's here, we have 8x minus 4x gives us 4x. And then drop down the minus 32. That's how you multiply polynomials together. Otherwise, that's it for this video.